Buongiorno a tutti.
Hello everyone, I'm Veronica from Turin. Today, for my look, I used KMS Moist Repair Shampoo and Conditioner to restore hydration. Regarding blowout, I used KMS CURLUP Control Creme. This product helps me to define curls. I can use it on towel-dried hair, but also on dry hair to define my curls. To finish, I used KMS HAIRPLAY Dry Wax to obtain a curly but opaque effect. Inside this product there is rice powder that helps me to give texture to the structure.
A donare texture alla struttura.
Hope you like this look, perfectly imperfect. See you in the next video.
Ci vediamo al prossimo video.